children, hope you all are well. Today I am going to teach you what comes before, or write what comes before. Children, in our previous class I taught you this topic what comes before, but with the help of only one digit number or single digit number. But in this exercise I am going to teach you with the help of two digit number how to solve this. So children, it's also very simple. You just follow some tips and tricks. So let's start. So I'll take the first number 1111. So children, our first trick is we will write the first digit as it is. That is 1, and the second digit also 1. So what comes before 1? So before 1 it comes 0. So we will write there 0. So before 11 10 comes. Then we will take the second digits 3 3 33. Our first number is 3. We will write 3 as it is. Then second digit is also 3. So what comes before 3? That is 2. Before 3 2 comes. Go this with the help of this left side arrow. Okay. So 3 2 32 comes before 33. 3 2 32. Okay children. Let's write this one. So we will take the second number. For example, our second number is 5 7 57. So our first digit is 5. So we'll write the number 5 as it is, and the second digit is 7. So children, what comes before 7? So if you learn and practice what comes before with the help of single digit very well, so it will be very easy for you to give the answer. So before 7 6 comes, as you see. So we'll write here 6. So before 557 the number comes, that is 5 6 56. So in following these tips and tricks, it will be very easy to you to solve the exercise what comes before with the help of two digits. Okay, the first tip is we will write the first digit as it is, and the second digit, what we have to do, in the second digit the number is given, we have to see what comes before that given particular number. Okay children, this is our first tip. So I hope it is clear to you. Sorry. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is when there is a digit like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, that means second digit, if the second digit is 0, what will do children? We have to follow second rule. Second rule is what children? Our first digit is 2. Okay, when there is a number like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, that means if the second digit will be 0, the second rule we have to apply. The second rule is our first digit is 2. Okay, so what comes before 2? 1. Before 2 the number comes is 1. Left arrow. So we'll write here 1, and the second digit is 0. So what comes before 0 children? When the 0 is given over here in the second digit, so what will follow? We'll always write 9, because we assume the 0 as 10. So before 10 the number that comes is 9. Okay, same here. 30 30. Our first digit is 3. What comes before 3? 2. We will write here 2. And what comes before 0? We will assume 0 as 10. So before 10 it comes 9 too. So we will write here 9. Okay children. Then 40. What comes before 4 children? 3. Okay, and 0 will convert in 9. Okay, what comes before 5? 4. We will write here 4, and 0 becomes 9. 60 60. What comes before 6? 5. We will write here 5, and 0 will become 9. So before 60 59 will come, before before 50, 49 will come, 40, 39, 30, 29, 20, 90. So with the help of this easiest tricks, we will able to do what comes before with the help of second digit. Let's go use some more example. 70, 80 and 90. What comes before 7, children? 6. And we will assume 0 as 10, or we will write directly what comes before 0 is 9. Okay. What comes before 8? 7. And 0 will turn in 9 when the question asks what comes before. Okay, children. And 90, what comes before 9? 8, and 0 will turn in 9. So children, before 90, 89 will come, before 80, 79 will come, and before 70, 69.